Hi everybody, Bandit and I have 3 special things to celebrate, and we want to tell you all about it today.
Today is a good day to live.
First of all, it is Bandit's 9th birthday today. We are filming this on October 8th, and this little buddy, he has been with me for 4 years. The first 5 years of his life wasn't so great. He was a rescue dog from a fighting dog ranch in New Mexico. But he's got a pretty good life right now. And we are celebrating his 9th birthday. He hasn't been feeling too well lately, but as you can tell, he's always up for a walk in the forest. Say happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. I am so proud of him and for him. He is just the best little traveling companion I could have ever asked for. And I'm so grateful that he came into my life and his leash just came off the tree. So I'll be right back. Okay, let's try this again. So I will put a couple of links down below about Bandit's story. You can find those in the video description. And if you've been with me for a while, you already know his story. And that is part of the deal, is that the vets told me how old he was, and it just turned out to be right around my launch date of October 8th, 2015. And so he is 9 years old today, and I am celebrating 9 full years on the road as a nomad. I cannot believe it. And thank you all for being on this journey with me. I'm so blessed, and sometimes I can't believe that I've written 10 books, but the hardest one to write was clearly how being a nomad saved my life. And if you want to know more about that or are new to my channel, you can check out my books on Amazon. I'll put those links down below, obviously, as well. But so those are 2 big things. Bandit's 9th birthday, sweet little boy, and my 9-year nomadversary. It's been a minute since I did a video, and I couldn't let today go by without sharing it with you and telling you how significant today is. And I'm a little out of breath because we are at 9,000 feet outside of Cloudcroft. And that leads me to the 3rd thing that I want to celebrate with you today. Clearly, I am not giving up camping, or I wouldn't be here. Frugal RV Gal and Sammy Joe and me and Bandit, we are in a national forest. We're in a campground, and I'll tell you more about that later. But that just goes to show you I am not giving up camping. And why that's important is because of my 3rd thing I'm celebrating. I bought dirt. One of my patrons said that, I think, about congratulations on buying dirt. And I thought, oh my God, that is just priceless. So Bandit and I both never thought that we would have the lives that we have today. So beautiful, so blessed. And I just sometimes pinch myself. I went from living in a tent in the Texas heat in the summer to getting fancy free, my van, to having the RV that I have now, Phoenix, to buying a place to park her. And I am so blessed. It is in New Mexico. I am officially a New Mexico resident. And I know that my Texas cousins and family are going to be sad to hear me say this, but I am thrilled to be a New Mexico resident. I love this state. I'm in the national forest of outside of Cloudcroft, like I said. And New Mexico is wonderful, and it has been so good to me. And I am so blessed to be a resident and to be a property owner. Now, I'm going to tell you that I took out a 5-year note to do this. And a lot of people have to take out a 15 or 30-year mortgage. I only had to take out a loan for 5 years. And the reason that I was able to do that is because of my wonderful viewers, my KOKO Fam patrons, my YouTube members. All of you have gotten me here. And for somebody who the doctor said wasn't even supposed to see 2016, how blessed am I? Now, I'm not going to tell you where my place is. I shared it with close friends and family and my top patrons, but I am not going to share publicly where my place is. I will keep doing videos. I kind of went off grid for a while, even didn't quit doing videos because I just had so much going on. I started my WOW workshops, Write on Wednesday workshops. That's part of my way of giving back. Most of those writing workshops start at like $500, and I'm doing this for anybody that's a YouTube member at the Pro Prose level, $4.99 and above, or any of my KOKO Fam patrons that are at $5 and above, tier 2, that's called the Scout level. And so basically in a month that has 5 Wednesdays, you are getting 5 one-hour workshops for $5. So if you're interested in that, check out the links below. And so I'm just, life has, I don't even have the words. I am celebrating 3 huge things today. Bandit's birthday, my nomadversary, and being a property owner and having a place to go when I need to get off the road. Obviously, like I said, I'm not getting off the road anytime soon, but that has been a concern of mine. Once I realized maybe I'm not going to die like the doctor said, what am I going to do in my old age? And I'm heading on towards 70, I needed to come up with some kind of plan. And the place I bought is just awesome. I'm blessed beyond measure that I have somewhere to go when I need to get off the road one day. And I will work hard to pay off that 5-year note, hopefully sooner. And I just, you know, I always tell you, keep on keeping on no matter what, one day at a time. That's my slogan. But there's always something to be grateful for. Look up. Life is so gorgeous. And if you're in the throngs of it right now, I mean, I have been. And you know, so many people are dealing with so much. All I can tell you is don't give up. And then thank you for being here with me on this incredible journey. I'm going to start doing videos again and sharing life with you again. But while I got my place and got it fixed up and transferred my residency and everything, something had to give. And for a while it was my YouTube videos. But I'm back. Thank you for celebrating with me. Let me know what is up in your life in the comments below, and I will try to catch you up on everything that's been going on in future videos. We are going to some wonderful, beautiful falls that I have not seen yet. Frugal RV Gal is taking me there tomorrow, and Vicky Van Gogh in Lola, Lost on Land again. It was their special place too, and so it's going to be a blessing to be able to go do that. And I'll take you along on that, so watch for future videos. And thank you for celebrating with me and Bandit. Bandit, you want to come over and say bye? Let me go get him. We're going to go on a hike and take him for a walk for as much as he feels like doing to celebrate. But again, thank you for being on this journey with us. And we'll see you down the road, everybody. Keep on keeping on. Say bye.
Today